A billionaire father had everything, money, success, and a beautiful mansion. But after losing his wife, his life fell apart. His twin babies cried every day. Doctors couldn't help. Nannies quit. Nothing worked. Then one day, a housekeeper named Rosa arrived with her 3-year-old daughter, Lily. While everyone else saw 2 difficult children, Lily saw 2 lonely friends. Without fear, she walked into the nursery, sat beside them, and offered a toy. Something incredible happened. For the first time in months, the twins stopped crying. Day after day, Lily played with them, laughed with them, and filled the house with joy. Slowly, the sadness that haunted the family began to disappear. The billionaire spent years searching for a solution. But it wasn't money that healed his children. It was the kindness of a little girl with a big heart. Because sometimes the smallest person can make the biggest difference. Red Heart. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories that restore faith in humanity.